a stock worth the risk?
That's what everyone wants to know. And of course, we can't give financial advice. What we can do is summarize everything we've learned and let our listeners make their own informed decision.
That's the goal. Let's bring it all together and highlight the key takeaways from this deep dive.
All right, let's do it. Let's help our listeners navigate this Invivyd maze. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of what we've learned about Invivyd. We've got a company doing some really cool stuff, tackling a global health issue with some pretty innovative technology.
Definitely a company on the cutting edge. They've got PEMGARDA out there helping people prevent COVID infections, and they're working on VYD 2311, which could be, a real game changer if it pans out.
But they've also had their fair share of setbacks, like that FDA decision on expanding PEMGARDA's use. That sent the stock, well, tumbling might be an understatement.
It hasn't been pretty, and the stock, as we've discussed, is notoriously volatile. But some analysts are still really optimistic. They see huge potential, especially if VYD 2311 lives up to the hype.
And of course, we can't forget about that upcoming earnings report, March 27th. That could be the catalyst that sends the stock soaring, or it could send it, in the other direction.
It's going to be a big day for Invivyd, that's for sure. Investors will be looking for answers. How are the financials looking? What's the latest on VYD 2311? And how are they planning to deal with, the whole FDA situation?
So with all that in mind, what's the bottom line here? What should our listeners be thinking as they try to decide whether or not to invest in Invivyd?
It's a tough call. There's no easy answer. On one hand, you've got this amazing potential, a company with groundbreaking technology addressing a massive market need. But on the other hand, there are some serious risks. The stock is unpredictable, to say the least, and there are a lot of unknowns.
It sounds like Invivyd is what you might call a high-risk, high-reward kind of play, not for the casual investor who just wants to, dip their toes in the water.
Exactly. This is for investors who are okay with a little bit of a roller coaster ride. Investors who do their research, understand the risks, and really believe in Invivyd's long-term vision.
So to our listeners, I guess the question is, do you believe in Invivyd? Do you think they can overcome these challenges and truly revolutionize the way we fight infectious diseases?
It's a gamble, there's no doubt about it, but some gambles, well, they pay off big time.
We've given you a lot of information today. We've looked at Invivyd from all angles. Now it's up to you to decide what you think.
Do your own research, ask questions, and then make the decision that's right for you.
And remember, we're always here to help you navigate the world of biotech investing. So, until next time, happy investing, everyone.
When the Fear and Greed Index indicates extreme fear, it suggests that there's widespread pessimism and anxiety in the financial markets. This could be due to various factors like economic downturns, geopolitical tensions, or unexpected events that have caused